Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. So let's get into the video. In today's video, we will show you how to create item groups in Zoho Zakya. Item group help retailers manage products that come in different variations such as size, color, and maybe style, etc. without having to create separate items for each variation. This saves time and make inventory management more efficient. So for that, under inventory module in Zoho Zakya, you can see item group. Click on that. Click on new item group to create an item group. Provide the group name. Here, for example, I am providing kids frock for girls. I am providing the description like this. Enable returnable item if you provide the availability of return to this product. Choose the unit. Here I am providing pieces. You can add the brand of the product if any, and you can add the category too. Choose the inventory valuation. Presently there are two methods available which are provided by Zakya by default. Those are FIFO and WAC. Here I am choosing the method as WAC. Then there is an option to create multiple items, like you can choose the attributes and provide for example like color, size, style, etc. So here I am providing color, options red, black, white. Next I am adding another attribute like size, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, these are the attributes I have chosen, like color and size. And here there is an option to add the image for the item. So here I am choosing an image. Then you have to choose the item type like inventory or non-inventory. As you want to track the stock, you have to choose it as inventory. Then if this item includes any opening stock, choose or tick the enable the option to provide the values of opening stock and rate. So here you can see multiple items are created according to the attributes I have provided, like there will be red with the sizes, then black with the sizes, and white with the sizes. Then I can choose the or provide the rate. Here I am providing the rate. By clicking on copy to all, it will be copied to the rest of the fields also. And I have to provide the selling price. Here also I am doing the same. And if you want to place any reorder point, you can choose that too. Set to other fields also. Then you have the option to configure the account, like where do we want to save those transactions with those items, like for sales, under which ledger you have to map sales, and under which ledger you have to map the purchase account. So configure those accounts and click save to create the items. And you can see the multiple items with the attributes I have chosen, like color and size. Many items are created, and these items will be listing under inventory module also. See, you can see all this, all the created items. So That's it. Hope you guys understood how to manage item groups in Zoho Zakya. Thank you. See you in the next video.